We're back for day 3 of the core challenge, and today's exercise is the Superman. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for a total of 5 rounds. Grab your mat, go ahead and come down on the floor, face down. All right, extend your body all the way out. Arms are overhead, thumbs to the sky, and feet, you can just let them relax on the floor with your legs fully extended. Now, from here, all we're going to do is rise up. Keep your nose down toward the mat, head in neutral position as you come up, and raise. Squeeze your butt at the top. All right, so that's the demo. Let's go ahead and get this started. Okay. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly raise up and back to the floor. Squeeze your butt, your glutes. When you're fully extended at the top of the position. Keep everything in one line. Now your back, well, let's put it this way. Some might be wondering, well, isn't this core? Yes, but your back is also in the center. Let's take a break. Your back is also in the center, and it is important for your back to be strong too. Without the back, then your core may not be as strong. Ready? Let's go. If you want to add a little bit more to this, you could come up and not allow your arms to come back to touch the floor. You bring them down, but they won't touch. You squeezing at the top. Keeping everything straight and aligned. Now you're not forcing this move. And let's take a break. Yeah, our core muscles require, well, a strong core requires a strong back. And so we come down to this exercise midweek so that we can take some of the pressure off. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. And then focus on the core. Now, if you want a little bit more to this, then you can raise your thighs also off the floor. So, just a couple of ways to advance the exercise a little bit more. You're pausing at the top. Keeping your pelvic on the floor, and you're just raising your quads off of the floor and relax. We got 2 sets left. Ready, set, and lift. Hold and lower. This will also keep you from experiencing a lot of back pain. You're strengthening your back so that your core can also be stronger. Again, if it's too much, then just keep your legs down, and relax. We got one more set. Yeah, you don't have to lift your legs if it becomes too much or you become tired, fatigued. We want to become fatigued. Last round. Ready, set, and lift. I hope you feel your core. I do feel mine. You got about 10 seconds. One more. Relax and come into a child's pose. All right. You are awesome. You've made it through day 3. I will see you tomorrow for day 4.